In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add AI text clip in Filmora on video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place an AI-generated text element over your footage and customize it so it looks clean and professional. Start by opening Filmora. When the program loads, create a new project so you're working on a fresh timeline. This gives you a clean workspace and ensures your settings match the project you're about to build. Next, import your resources. That usually means your main video, plus any additional clips, images, or audio you want in the background. You can click the import button or simply drag your files into the media bin. Once they appear, drag your primary video down to the timeline. Place it on the main video track so you have something visible behind your text. Scrub through a few seconds to make sure the clip plays smoothly and that the portion where you want text is easy to see. Now, head to Titles. At the top of the interface, click the Titles tab to open Filmora's text options. In the panel on the left, find and click AI Text. This category contains templates designed to work with Filmora's AI features, which help you generate or style text quickly. Browse through the available options and hover over a few to preview their animations. Choose one that matches the tone of your video. Bold for announcements, minimal for clean overlays, or something more animated if you want extra energy. Select a text and drag it to the timeline. Drop it on a track above your video so it appears on top. Position it at the moment you want the text to start. You can always slide it left or right to fine-tune the timing, and you can extend or shorten the clip by dragging its edges if you need more or less screen time. To customize it, double-click the text clip in the timeline to open the text editor. Here, edit the wording to say exactly what you want, or use the AI text controls provided by the template. Keep your message concise and clear. When you're ready, click Generate. Filmora will apply the AI-powered formatting or content based on your inputs. Play it back in the preview. If it's not quite right, tweak the text or prompt and click Generate again until it fits your style. Finally, make any visual adjustments you need: font, size, color, alignment, and on-screen position, so the text is readable over your footage. When you like what you see, you're all set. You've added an AI text clip to your video in Filmora.